Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. The boys will love me. Come on. If Sarah Sanderson isn't the best sister on Hocus Pocus, I don't know. She just is. She just is. We love the movie. We cannot wait for part 2 to come out later this month. And we just have fun creating this look. And if you want to see how I did this makeup from beginning to end, keep watching. It was actually really easy. So let's do it. Sarah Sanderson has very pale skin, so I'm just doing my best to kind of bleach my skin and get just a lighter look. Got that pale stuff going on, so I'm just gonna use some concealer, cover my dark circles, and set with a loose powder. I love Laura Mercier's Secret Brightening Powder. I use it every single day. And you cannot forget the mole. In most cases I call it a beauty mark, but in Sarah Sanderson's case, it's a mole. What would you even call Sarah Sanderson's eye makeup? I would call it a heavy, messy, smoky eye. Let's just go with that. So that's what we're doing. If you look at her makeup in pictures, she has a lot of heaviness on the inside corner where it's darker, so that's why I'm really kind of just focusing right there on the inner arch of my brow bone. Her lips are like this dark, deep burgundy blood red, so I'm just layering different shades until I get the color that I feel like is just perfect. Super easy makeup look, right? I mean, really, you just need the dark, heavy eyes, the red lips, the really bleached out face, the blonde wig, and you got it. It's so easy. I think this is so fun. And if you've got a blonde wig, like I got this one on Amazon, super reasonable, linking it below. Get the costume and you're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a comment below and let me know what other Halloween looks I should do this year. And we will be back soon with another look. Happy Halloween!